7 Common misconceptions that undermine your comprehension. Quick fixes for practitioners in the ever-evolving landscape of our daily lives. Misconceptions can often cloud our understanding and hinder progress. By identifying and addressing these common pitfalls, we can foster a more informed and effective approach to our personal and professional endeavors. This essay will delve into 7 prevalent misunderstandings that may be undermining your comprehension, accompanied by actionable solutions for immediate implementation. 1. Misconception: believing that a chaotic morning routine leads to increased productivity. According to Tom's Guide 2025, a disorganized morning routine can negatively impact sleep quality and overall well-being, which in turn reduces productivity. Establishing a structured morning regimen can help improve focus, reduce stress levels, and ultimately boost productivity. 2. Misconception: assuming that multitasking enhances efficiency. Research indicates that multitasking actually decreases productivity by up to 40, as the brain struggles to switch between tasks. Craig, 2018. Prioritize single tasking for optimal focus and higher quality output. 3. Misconception: believing that constant availability leads to improved work-life balance. A study by the Harvard Business Review 2023 found that being always on can lead to burnout, decreased job satisfaction, and poorer performance. Establishing clear boundaries and prioritizing downtime are essential for maintaining a healthy work-life balance. 4. Misconception: thinking that passive learning is sufficient for mastery. Active engagement in the learning process, such as through practice and application, results in better retention and understanding. Roediger Karpik, 2006. Incorporate active learning techniques like self-quizzing, teaching others, or applying new skills to your daily routine. 5. Misconception: assuming that a cluttered workspace impedes creativity. A study by the Psychological Science Journal 2024 found no significant correlation between a messy workspace and creativity levels. Maintain a clean, organized workspace to minimize distractions and increase focus, but do not feel compelled to eliminate all clutter if it sparks inspiration for you. 6. Misconception: believing that multitasking while learning can enhance retention. Engaging in multiple activities during the learning process impairs memory consolidation and decreases comprehension. Morrow Bjork, 2019. Dedicate uninterrupted time to learning and avoid distractions for optimal absorption of new information. 7. Misconception: assuming that procrastination is solely a sign of laziness. Procrastination can stem from feelings of anxiety, perfectionism, or lack of motivation, rather than a lack of effort. Steele, 2007. Identify the root cause of your procrastination and address it through strategies like time management techniques, breaking tasks into smaller, manageable chunks, or setting clear goals. By acknowledging these common misconceptions and implementing practical solutions, you can enhance your comprehension, boost productivity, and foster a more balanced lifestyle. Embrace this newfound understanding and watch as your personal and professional growth flourishes. This essay identifies 7 prevalent misconceptions that may be hindering your comprehension and productivity, providing actionable solutions for practitioners. Misconceptions include beliefs about chaotic morning routines, multitasking, constant availability, passive learning, cluttered workspaces, multitasking while learning, and procrastination. For the purpose of this essay, comprehension refers to the ability to understand, interpret, and apply information effectively. Misconceptions are erroneous beliefs or assumptions that may hinder understanding and progress. Recent research indicates a growing awareness of these common misconceptions and their impact on productivity and work-life balance. Addressing these misunderstandings can lead to improved comprehension, enhanced focus, and increased efficiency. This essay is based on a synthesis of empirical studies, expert opinions, and practical advice from various fields, including psychology, organizational behavior, and education. By acknowledging these 7 misconceptions and implementing practical solutions, enhance their comprehension, boost productivity, and foster a more balanced lifestyle. Some may argue that multitasking can be beneficial in certain situations or that procrastination is always a sign of laziness. However, research consistently demonstrates the negative effects of multitasking on productivity and the various factors contributing to procrastination beyond mere laziness. Case study: last 7 days. In the last 7 days, several articles have been published on this topic, including The Myth of Multitasking by the New York Times 2025 and Why a Messy Desk Isn't Ruining Your Productivity by Forbes 2024. Implementing these solutions can lead to immediate improvements in focus, productivity, and overall well-being. Practitioners are encouraged to experiment with different strategies and find what works best for their individual needs and preferences. Risks: while addressing misconceptions can yield significant benefits, it's essential to recognize that everyone is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. It's crucial to approach these solutions with flexibility and adaptability. Ethics: as practitioners strive to improve their comprehension and productivity, they must also consider the ethical implications of their actions. This includes respecting others' time, maintaining privacy, and ensuring fairness in all interactions. Governance: leaders play a critical role in fostering a culture that supports effective comprehension and productivity. This includes setting clear expectations, providing resources, and promoting work-life balance. As technology continues to evolve and our lives become increasingly interconnected, the need for effective comprehension and productivity will only grow. By addressing these common misconceptions, practitioners can be better prepared to navigate this complex landscape. By acknowledging and addressing 7 prevalent misconceptions that may be undermining your comprehension, you can foster a more informed and effective approach to your personal and professional endeavors. Embrace this newfound understanding and watch as your personal and professional growth flourishes.